Fit like. I hope you're all keeping well and welcome aboard again. Now I'm fishing with Phil this morning again. We're on a beach. We're in Cullen Beach. We're right up to the west end of Cullen Beach, as far as we can gain. I've already shot a couple of rods. I've just 2 rods with me today. The first one I've got 8 hooks on it. 4 of the hooks are size 4. The other 4 hooks are size 8. So small hooks. And there's a bite already. I've a red light eye and a blue light eye on. Came here at 5 o'clock. We're fishing the tide going back. Low water is 20 past 10 here. So we'll maybe fish it a couple of hours back up again, you know, once the daylight comes in. Yeah, we'll see how we get on. It's really mild this morning. This is the 10th of December. It's 11 degrees, and it was 11 degrees for my house for I came for an hour and a quarter away anyway, maybe a bit more. And it's 11 degrees here and all the way. Sounds like there's a bit of sea rolling. I'm not sure how bad it is because it's dark. It's just after you on storm. Not sure if it's the caught the storm. It steered up the sea a bit, but I think it got a good bit of shelter at this side of the coast, so I'm not really worried about that. I'll take you down and have a look at these roads, because I did see a couple of bites, like on a reading anyway. Come on, fishy, fishy. Now that blueing is moving about, but it's kind of crossed the waves a bit, so I think it's waves is doing it. But that's reading did get out with a couple of rattles. When the waves moves it about with the bells on, it doesn't ring the bells. But when there's a fish biting, it's just a sharper rattle. And it rings the bells. It's Phil down here about the casting out his second rod. Probably when I see him. Ooh, oh, that's a bite now. That's a bite. Come on. Come on, fishy. Come on, fishy, fishy. I've 8 hooks on that reading, so I could let her set them into, see if I can get other fish on. If there's one on. I've actually got a licht on that rig, a wee flashing lichty. Yeah, I think that was Phil's rod rattling here. Well, there's my tripod. Well, I hear bells ringing again. I'm going to want to haul this in and here looky, I think there could be a fishy sitting on it. But we'll soon find out. It's just been in the water maybe quarter an hour when it started biting. Well, started ringing the bells. Come on, fishy. Oh, I see the flashing light. Come on, fishies. I see the light flashing away, yeah. And is there anything? Yay! Hey! 3! Yeah, beauty! They're not big, but hey, it's fish, and I'm fair triggered. It's a first haul of the day, and we've got a wee, but it's a wee collie. We've a wee collie. Look at that. He's just hanging there at him. 2 flounder and a wee collie, right? Bonnie wee flounder, look. And wee collie. Give him a kiss and get him back. Everything swallowed the hook, so I'll let you get the disgorger on that. Come on then, look. Come on, Paul. Right, I'll get my disgorger on this next thing. Come out now, brother, with the disgorger. That's him. No bleed or nothing. Get him back now. Come on, Paul. Here you go, look. Come on. Right to the next weed. I'll pick you up again, look. The water's getting back. Right, here you go. Look at that. There you go. When you're wading out to the water there, there's a lot of holes. You're like walking out. Even though I have a torch on, I can see. And all of a sudden there's a hook that you can trap up on. It's fell short in the water. Right, I want to freshen up a bit and get back out again. I want to take this blue in and I'll see if a gale of wind just now just gotten up. I mean, there wasn't a breath when we first came in about. And all of a sudden it's howling. The forecast said it was going to die away. It seems to be doing the opposite. But just the story of this year. Whole year's been like that. Come on, fishy. Yeah, is there anything in this here? Hey! Yeah, a wee bit of weed, you know. Another coolie and another flounder. Great stuff. Oh, you beauty, just hook it on a lip, bathe fish. Great stuff. Funny wee flounder and a wee coolie again. And we'll get him back. Tide's just racing out like. Oh, there you go. I want to get that in back out again. That was even with the 3 hooks. Woohoo! Big rattle, nothing. I just casted that out. Now I'm wanting to get bait on this and get this out first before I haul it in. So hopefully if it ever runs, I'll bite on. And haul this in. And see if it that weighs. If it's still on. Some big gusts of wind coming every now and again. Must be really shallow here because I've moved the tripod rack down just within 10 minutes. Right, come on fishy. And you go. Come on fishy, fishy. This is even the last one. In all the hooks. Come on. I can see the lichty again. Flashing just underneath the water. Come on, fishies. Yeah. And finished. It's Cullen again. Oh, just near Moray. It's a bigger arena this time, like. Way very bigger. Well, one of them is anyway. And I can hear that wind howling in the background. Yeah, mouse. That is a wee very bigger. You behave yourself. That is a wee very bigger, look. You see. And a small in again. I've got this road on my bushy end. Handmade road holder. It's never great for us things to snake and doing off a far. Because there's hard ground underneath there. But it's hidden just now. And that's at the end of the 3 hooks. And the blue lichty. It's swaying about in the wind. The water coming in again, look. It's supposed to be getting back. You're right, getting a surge now and again. It was actually too hot from first coming in about, as I was saying, 11 degrees. And it was near a breath of wind. Now it's howling, it's like a wind chill wind. So I want to put my jacket back on and yeah, move here to heat me up. I've eaten my tea, so go and haul this in. And it did get out with a couple of rattles. Not sure there's anything on there now. And our buddy can say and get him back. I've got another buddy here, another collie, and I have a feeling this is a wee fighting. Looks if I like it anyway. Hope you can see that in the camera. Looks like a wee fighting. We'll get him back quick as we can. Come on, fishy. Well, haul it and see.
Yeah.
Right. See if there's anything went. Right, come on. Well, it's not very big, if it is something. If you can see the licht in the water, Phil. There's a wee licht on the line. Right. You see it there, look, flashing. Go this way. Hit. Oh man! Scoffed on my bait. There is a couple of strands, like. This is our bait today, look. We've got shotted mackerel, as usual. I chopped them up last night and put a shot on them last night. And this is this rig, look, there's 4 size 4 and 4 size 8. These short snoods, and that wee reed beads, and a stopper, look. Reed bead, just green bead. I think that's a luminous bead. And a stopper. Just to hold them all down the hook. And it stops the hook coming round and hooking on its sail, on its snood. Right, and this is just lichty, look. Yeah, it's flashing. Great stuff. Don't know kind of what makes a difference or no, but it's on for effect anyway. Daylight's starting to come in now. It feels like there could be something on. There is. A wee flounder. Great stuff. I'll just let him go here. There you go. So there's a right there, look, see? Aye. Come on, fishies. Come on. Right, I want to rebait that team with the 3 hooks. Just reading rattling again. And get back out again. Yeah, look. I want to get the ring shot out again, so keep an eye on this in here. Because it's been rattling. Well, let me keer of it road still rattling. Just a bit got off my feet. That's that trap set again. Well, has this thing been ringing? I thought the tail used to keep an eye on it. Oh, look! Oh, there was a wee twitch here, I knew. Aye, man. I think there's a fish here in it. So, I want York at the end and Helgi. Maybe take a tripod further down the beach, you know. While I'm at it. Oh, put you in here. There's something on. It's another buddock. Seaweed and all. That's probably what made it heavy. Another buddock. Because you can get them back. I want bar. He's away. Ooh. I want like a target. Sheesh. I would have come on here, I knew. There's a deertje water coming right up to the camera. Kijk eens uit. Klomp en weed. Dit hier nou. And check this wee lad. What a beauty. You just hooked on a lip. Perfect. Give me a kiss and get him back. Come on, Paul, get your back. Hey, look. How's he going? You know what wrong? Why, man? Oh, look. Whoa, that way. That's some of the rest going to. Now, I'm wanting to put the camera out. Still echt nu half an hour low water. And I want to get the camera out, but my problem is this weed. Give a chance it. Trouble is we put the camera out and there's clumps of weeds in front of the camera. You just want to see nothing. But I want to get it out because the water's half a clear, as you can see when I put that wee fluggy back. I think I'm just going to chance it and hope for the best. Just hit the haul in every half hour or so, check it for weed. Saw the weed off and I've set up the camera. I'm just going to chance it just to see if it's happening out there. If it sees anything or gets weed on it, I don't care. Now I'm going to give it a go. So that's the camera, look, and you'll see a flashing light on here. That's it, recording just now. And there's a flashing light here and all, look. So we'll see if anything goes towards that flashing light. And this is the small hooks again. There's 8 hooks. And bit is a mackerel on them. And a gripper weight. At the end of it. Oh, there's a lot of rollers coming in here, like. I actually might put a heavier gripper weight on. Make sure it takes a hood. It's a gripper weight with 6 prongs on it. I think it's a 5 ounce. You need that worst thing to try and balance it out. It just spins round like a helicopter when you cast it out. You have to hope for the best that it actually lands okay. Trying to get it out before any big rollers come in and get it anchored.
Come on, you fish.
Aye. Well, let's a camera out.
So there's some good pictures.
Hope so. I would like us bales to rattle.
Yeah.
It would let you know or something here, okay?
Yeah, let you know what's going on.
But it's And now if rock and costing too, you seen it going like asking. And you're going, is it going to land direct this time? Most of the times it does,
Yeah,
believe it or not. Hopefully there's no seaweed going to get on it. But you're not going to be in that cost to do it. So how you getting on, Phil?
How am I getting on? I've had a few fish, aye.
Oh, aye. Oh, you're a dark horse.
A dark
Oh,
horse.
I've seen you with some fancy rigs there.
You need to be watching Another Angle UK.
Aye.
Something
See?
special again, you see.
Something special again every time.
Specials.
Every time. Another Angle UK. Check out his channel, because as you can, he's making his own video today again. And he got a different fish, a special fish. Again, he gets a special fish.
All fish
So-
are special, aren't they?
Aye, I think that.
Even the buttocks, even those little sweeties.
Aye. I'll tell you, Phil, I took on a float that was maybe out 4 inches or something. And that's special to me.
Yeah.
That's really special to me.
Yep.
Yeah, I just get it a kissy and
Give it a kissy, put it back.
away it went. Ken.
Yeah,
They're all beautiful, man.
they are.
They're all beautiful.
And it's good to be out, isn't it, you know?
Aye.
I'm sure on the video it looks quite pleasant with it being a flat sea. But the wind, there's a bit of a nip in the wind.
It's dropping a bit again. Like
Yeah.
I mean, the forecast was for it dropping away all day. There was supposed to be a bit of sun today, like.
Yeah,
That's not come to fruition. Not yet, anyway.
not yet, time yet.
Yeah.
But you know, this morning we were stood here and it must have been about 11 degrees or something. It was really quite warm.
It's actually,
Took the jackets off, but
it's
then
kind
it
of
cooled
warm.
down.
It cooled down, but it's kind of warming up again.
It's warming up again.
Yeah.
But that's excitement to catching fish, isn't it?
Oh, that's true. Aye. Especially that you knew good.
Yeah.
Oh man, special fish.
Yeah. How big was it?
Oh gee. Great stuff. Yeah, what a lovely sport again too, eh?
It's beautiful.
Great ass.
Cullen. We like Cullen.
Oh, we like Cullen. And we like Cullen skink.
We like Cullen skink.
Oh,
Definitely the skink.
best soup you can get. That seems been out there fairly. Let's see if there's only weed in it. See. Camera rig seems to be sitting nearby just now. You kind of can't when there's weed, it just bends the road right off with the surges. They'll maybe start biting once the tide starts flooding again. At least there's no weed on here, just a couple of wee bitties. So hopefully camera hasn't got no weed either. To shift this up the beach a bit. I think the tide's starting to mark now. So far there's just been 2 or 3 small fishes, but it's fine to get out. I want a beautiful beach like this. I just love my fishing. Now, when I'm not fishing, I'm either in the shade or out in a boatie. We're on fishing trips, out of the Brog, Fraserburgh. And when I'm not doing that, I'm watching other folks fishing videos. if I'm sitting in the house. I'm going to give a shout out to a lad that makes fishing videos. He's not long started up his channel. He's another Scottish lad. He's just further up the coast for here, the other side. He fishes over the side Dornach, up and down that coast. So I want to give a shout out to him. His channel's called the Fluky Fisher. If you like watching fishing videos, nip over and have a look at his channel and give him a like and a subscribe to give him a wee boosty. He's just as passionate as me and Phil here, and it's more fishing channels for you to watch. Man alive. For a lot of 50s on his. Sheesh kebab. Didn't stand a chance like that. Oh, it was a great big bit to catch, all but in to catch it.
Oh, look at that. I'm getting the same.
It's heavy yet. I'm hoping it might clear as the tide comes in a bit, Kims. Oh, it's wishful thinking. Look at this. It's a jet of hour again. We make a fine heat of hair, as Phil. That was a wee fluke on the camera rig, so we'll get him back. There we go. Come on, here we go. Yes! Well, Phil.
Another fine session. Yeah, we've enjoyed that, haven't we?
Oh, it's been great. Great day again. 11 degrees, 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
11 degrees. So it was fine warm.
It's a bit cooler now, mind.
It's cooler now.
It's a bit of a nip to the wind.
Bit of a nip now.
But we had some good fish. Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Well, special fish again. Special fish.
You've had 3 species.
I've had 3 species. A fighting,
Whiting,
goalie and flounder.
flounder. Yeah.
So we're doing well.
4
Small
species.
fish, but
Seaweed fish.
4 species
We've
seaweed.
had
A lot of seaweed fish, right? And hopefully I did get a wee flounder on the fishing camera.
Your camera.
So hopefully that's seen something, and if it has, I'll add it to this video. Maybe you've already seen it. If it showed up, you've probably already seen it before us. So anyway, that's it for now.
Tight lines from me, tail wide from D.
And take care of die, and I'll catch you after for me. Whew. I'm knocked up climbing up that sand dune. Anyway, just to let you see where we're at. We're right at the west end of Cullen Beach. We're here, it's full of over here. Where we've been fishing, there's a golf course here, like, plus a big lump of rock. And just aside the beach here, there's a bench. Just to the west side of this bench, there's a wee fight marker. And just where my foot is, look, underneath that tuft of grass is the Keyring. So just underneath that tuft of grass. If ever finds a Keyring, mind and put a comment underneath this video letting us know that you've gotten it. It lets somebody else know need to come looking for it, because somebody's already gotten it. Good luck with that, Ian.